Hi everyone, let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1974 Dodge Monaco police car. It's from Massachusetts State Police. So let's unbox it and take a better look. But before we unbox this car, please don't forget to give me your like, to subscribe my channel, to share this video, and to click the bell for news. So let's unbox it and take a better look. So once we've unboxed the car and pop the hood open, we can take a better look at it. First thing we're going to take a look at is this 440 Magnum engine, which is an awesome engine, really. It's one of the most powerful Chrysler engines of all times, and it's really suitable to take a 2-ton vehicle to a very nice speed. We can see all cables and wires, hoses, and all components that are supposed to be in an engine, and the engine bay itself very well taken care of. The hinges here, not panographic with coil springs just like the ones in the Authentics, but still very well made, very well reproduced. We can see that this grille and the front bumper, as well as the headlights, are very well taken care of. The Dodge logo here at the tip of the car is painted over, but it's in the right proportion. It's correct. These are blinker repeaters, and they're cast in metal, just like those blinkers. They're cast in metal and painted over, but with a very good quality. Wheels and tires and hubcaps are very well reproduced. In the interior of the car, we can see the police weapon on the dashboard, the seats, which are correct. The good thing about this car is all 4 doors open. Actually, we can see the door panels, seats. There is a headliner, simple headliner, not as well made as the one in the Authentics, but correct ones. It's correctly made. The windshield wipers are concealed underneath the hood. The trim around the windows are painted over. All trim is painted over, but correctly painted over. You can see the interior here, which is correct. The trunk, which is also openable. There's a lock here. It's just cast in metal and painted over. The hinges here are correct, as well as the reinforcements in the trunk lid. And the trunk itself, it's pretty well made. It's quite simple, but pretty well made. The tail lights, which are typical from this 1974 Dodge, dual exhaust, and the bumper, which is correct. There's no cast marking, just bolts and rivets, just like it's supposed to be. I really like this color. And as we open the driver's door and rear door, you can take a better look at the interior, steering wheel, the dashboard, the Monaco dashboard, which is a very nice dashboard. I really like Dodge Monacos a lot. One more look at the wheels, and last but not least, the bottom of the car. As we can see, the dual exhaust suspensions are all correct. The gas tank is in correct color. It's a single piece of plastic, but it's all correct. The engine and tranny, the 440 Magnum with the starter, oil filter, suspension, all details we can see. It's really nice. It's really well made, well taken care of. This would be for the push bars this car doesn't have, but it's okay. It's all made in here, because some of these police cars have the push bars, some of them don't. A real very nice car to have in a Diecast police car collection, especially if you like those 1970s American cars just like I do. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to leave me your like, to subscribe my channel, to click the bell for news, and to share this video. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.